What if I told you the thing that could destroy your life is already in your pocket? It learns from you, copies your voice, tracks your habits. And no, it's not your ex. It's artificial intelligence, and it's evolving faster than we can comprehend. But here's the twist. It's not just a threat. It's also the most powerful tool we've ever had. Think of AI like fire. It can cook your food or burn your house down. The difference? Knowing how to use it and how to protect yourself from being used by it. AI is everywhere, from TikTok algorithms to job automation to deepfakes so realistic they could fool your own mother. And here's the scary part. AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't get tired. It just keeps learning. And sometimes it learns too well. But here's the exciting part. AI can write books, cure diseases, design cities, solve climate change, if we control it instead of letting it control us. So how do we do that? First, digital hygiene. Know what you're sharing online. Your data is gold. Stop giving it away like it's candy. Second, human skills matter more than ever. Creativity, empathy, ethics, the things AI can't replicate yet. Third, use AI as a partner, not a master. Learn how to prompt it, control the output. Don't fear the tool, fear being ignorant of it. We stand at a crossroad. One path leads to dystopia, the other to a future where humans and machines thrive together. But the clock is ticking. Will we act in time? Because this isn't just about protecting yourself from AI. It's about building a future where it protects you. And if you think that's intense, wait until you hear the final words of Charlie Chaplin. Words that could rewire the way you see your role in this world. Forever. Click now to watch Charlie Chaplin's final words that will change your life forever. Savvy up, level up, subscribe now, and unlock the world of savvy wisdom.